cup. Let them sit overnight. Take the gummy bears out. They've become bigger in size. The one from pure water has become twice as big, and the one cured in a saline solution has grown even more. It's become almost 4 times as big. Poor lab gummy bears. They've become bigger than all their gummy relatives. It's time to start a gummy animal protection campaign, except that we will have to close our lab then. The result of the gummy bear experiment is a regular gummy bear plus salt equals a huge bloated bear. Professor Yum Yum is going to have a portion of her traditional oatmeal. She goes out to take a kettle, and Cherry is doing her electrifying experiments with a balloon. It accidentally drops into a plate with oat flakes, and we can witness an unexpected discovery. Put oat flakes into a plate. Blow up a balloon and electrify it. You can do it by rubbing it in wool mittens. The balloons turned electrified. Now, put it closer to the flakes and watch the flakes jumping funnily as though they are alive. Professor Yum Yum comes back. We've proved that oat flakes are very healthy and full of energy. They keep jumping out of the plate by themselves. Professor Yum Yum has built a weird construction. Cherry can't figure out what function all of these tubes and flasks should be. Isn't it clear? Professor Yum Yum is cooking pasta, but it's no traditional dish. It's molecular pasta. Cover 1 ounce of gelatin with water and stir to swell. Heat up a cup of orange juice in a microwave. Add the swollen gelatin to the heated orange juice. Stir. Wait for the liquid to jellify a bit and suck it into a syringe. Cut off a tube from an irrigation tube set. Fill it with the orange mixture using the syringe. Put the tube into cold water with ice cubes. Be careful, don't let water get into the tube. The liquid hardens within 3 to 4 minutes. Take out the tube. Suck air into the syringe. Put it into the tube and push the plunger with great force. Push the pasta onto the plate. Decorate it with fruit. While Cherry is racking her brain trying to get spaghetti out of the tube, Professor Yum Yum has already made a whole plate of it. We've got an orange molecular spaghetti with kiwi fruit for a dessert. Why are there so many beverage cans in the lab? Are you going to build a can pyramid? Or to train balancing skills? Or to do cheek massage? But Cherry has thought out another cool experiment. She takes out a gigantic king-size flask and fills it with water. Why is it so much? Does she actually want to take a bath? Nope, it's a sinking can experiment. Toss the cans into water one by one. Fanta sinks at once, but a can of Coca-Cola doesn't sink for some unknown reason. Is it magic or science? The thing is that it's a Diet Coke. It contains no sugar, so it keeps floating. Schweppes sinks too, but Sprite doesn't sink at once because of an air bubble left in the bottom indentation. The water experiment proves that diet drinks are the lightest. Professor Yum Yum has taken up a whole plate of unhealthy food. Doesn't she understand how badly it can influence her stomach? She obviously starts feeling sick after a lunch like this. But Cherry has warned her about it. To prove that she was right, Cherry performs an iodine experiment. Peel a potato and cut it in half. It is necessary to put on rubber gloves. Dip a Q-tip into iodine and run it on the potato. The vegetable has changed its color. This is a chemical reaction of the starch contained in the potato with iodine. It turns blue or black depending on the amount of starch. The more the starch, the darker the potato gets. You can check the amount of starch in other favorite unhealthy food products in the same way. Drop some iodine on cheese spread, crab sticks, sausage, mayonnaise, and bread. As the experiment shows, all these products contain a large amount of starch. In this experimental way, we've found out which products are iodioxic. Now, Professor Yum Yum will think twice before getting them for her lunch. Who needs to eat so much starch? Did you like our food experiments? Then write in your comments what you're going to do in your kitchen. Keep in mind the safety rules. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, Subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you'll be among the first to watch news of the Troom science world.